Hi everyone, and welcome to Nutrition 153, Foods and Culture. I will be your instructor. My name is Tracy Daly, and this is your course, Shell. Here you'll find any information that you'd like to reference regarding announcements. For example, here's our first announcement. Welcome to Nutrition 153, Cultural Foods. And again, here you'll find anything that you need for information about this class, announcements, the book, assignments, etc. This is the book that we'll be using, Food and Culture, and you can find this on the SDCCD website, and you can also find this on the Cengage website for a very low cost. I look forward to this semester and working with you. And if you have any questions, please make sure to get in touch. My email and contact information are on Canvas for you. Have a great semester, and I look forward to working with you.